Hello, I'm Julian Williams, the Vice President for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion here at the University of South Carolina. And I'm here to do a short introduction on the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Toolbox that was created by the Center for Teaching Excellence here at the University of South Carolina. This toolbox has a plethora of resources designed for you, for faculty members, in terms of how to create and maintain an inclusive classroom environment, how to develop inclusive syllabi, how to support students in the LGBTQIA spectrum, as well as students with disabilities, and resources for how to lead discussions in your classrooms around topics that can be touchy, but also sort of overall how we create, maintain, and support a diverse, equitable, and inclusive classroom environment. These resources are also designed for and by faculty members here at the University of South Carolina, so you may see some of your peers here. There's also a page of resources that discuss what our peer institutions are doing in this space. So I think one of the most important things that we do as leaders, as a public institution, is educate students. But we also can take some time out to educate ourselves as well. So I would encourage you to engage with the toolkit, provide feedback to the Center for Teaching Excellence if there are things there that you would like to see added, and to overall to ask questions, engage, and be a part of what we're trying to build here as a community. So please take advantage of the resources, and hopefully you will find them very helpful in your journey as a faculty member.